I have this feeling that we are not practicing enough, as much as we should. The first thing we must learn are the chords. Without chords, everything will sound bad, and the chords are our tool to navigate into the world of music, specifically in the world of guitar. So I'll give you a few exercises. I request you please practice this, and after you are done practicing, you make a video of 30 seconds or maybe 1 minute and send it to me here. C, E minor, F followed by G. Alright? So please, number one step is to learn this chord, specifically F. The pressure should be equal so that I can hear all the strings. The strumming pattern is 1 E and a rest, 3 E and a rest, 1 E and a rest, 3 E and a rest. 1, 2, off we go. The second strumming pattern is D, F sharp minor. Please be very careful with this chord. F sharp minor, it has 3 string bar, and then G followed by A. Ready? The same thing. 1 E and a rest, 3 E and a rest. Off we go. N. The third one is E, then C sharp minor, followed by A chord, and followed by a B chord. C, E, C sharp minor, A followed by B. The strumming pattern remains the same. 2, 3, 4. Now I'll give you F followed by D minor, followed by A sharp or B flat, followed by C. One more time. F, D minor, B flat, C. Strumming pattern remains same. 2, 3, 4. The last chord progression is G followed by B minor, followed by C major, followed by D major. G, B minor, C, D. To wrap it up, we'll do a quick change. I'll show you what I mean. One E and a rest, 3 E and a rest, 1 E and a rest. Please go through these exercises. You don't have to do it all at the same time, one after another one. And after you are done learning this, please send me a video. You may send me a C major video, or maybe a D major, or E major, or F major, or G major, whichever you feel comfortable. All right. You can send me 5 videos individually. You can send me one single video, no problem. Thank you so much.